I have a plan.
You've got a plan.
Yes.
First of all, you're copying me from when I said I had a plan.
No, I'm not. People say that all the time. It's not that unique of a thing to say.
Secondly, I don't even believe you have a plan.
I have part of a plan.
What percentage of a plan do you have?
Have you ever wondered how to turn your passion for writing into a thriving indie author career? Stick around, because today, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on creating a business plan. First, let's define what a business plan is and why indie writers need one. A writer's business plan is a strategic document outlining a vision, goals, and detailed strategies to succeed in the competitive publishing industry. It will help you set clear objectives, understand your target audience, and encourage you to develop marketing strategies and prepare you for coming changes. When you sit down to write your business plan, it doesn't mean you already know all the answers, but that you are now ready to sit, think, and plan your writing career seriously. We have researched and found that in this day and age, writers should handle themselves as small businesses to succeed, and a good business plan is the cornerstone to achieve that. Before we move on, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. So, how do you write a business plan? In the first section of your business plan, you define your vision and goals. Here, you answer the question of what you want to achieve as an indie writer. Provide your mission, vision, and values. Highlight your company's strengths and why it is well positioned in the self-publishing industry. In the second section of your business plan, you explore your own company. What sets your writing apart? Here, you outline your new endeavor's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Summarize key elements of your unique selling proposition and your company's structure. In the third section of your business plan, you analyze the markets. Who are your readers? What are their preferences and interests? Conduct thorough research on the self-publishing industry, including market trends, potential growth, and the competitive landscape. Identify your target audience and describe their characteristics, preferences, and behavior. Analyze your competitors, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Define the products and services you will offer, such as publishing ebooks, print on demand, marketing assistance, and other relevant services. The fourth section of your business plan is having and presenting a market and sales strategy. How would you reach and engage with your audience? Outline your marketing plan to attract authors and customers to your self-publishing services. Define your pricing strategy, considering factors such as production costs, market demand, and competitor pricing. Don't forget to elaborate on your use of social media, website, and email marketing. This is where you develop a strong author brand. Your business plan's fifth and final section is your financial projections. How much would you earn and how long will it take you to profit from your work? Present your funding requirements clearly, specifying how much capital you need and how you plan to use it. Provide realistic and justifiable assumptions for your financial forecasts. Consider pricing strategies and royalty rates and explore potential funding sources. A solid financial plan ensures that your writing career is both creatively fulfilling and financially sustainable. Would you like to watch more videos like this one? Please click like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, outline your vision, describe your company, analyze your markets, detail your marketing strategy, and provide a realistic financial projection.
We were the Story Gibbons for Panpipe, and until next time, stay curious and have fun.